These are the yummiest tacos ever. Crispy sheet pan tacos. I made them veganish just for you. Hey, you guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my version, I'm so excited, of crispy tacos. These are crispy veganish tacos, totally delicious. I'm gonna use some veggie meat, and if you don't wanna use the veggie meat, I understand some people don't wanna use that, you can use black beans. The recipe works the same for either one, okay? So here are the ingredients. We've got veggie meat or black beans, some corn tortillas, you could also use flour, olive oil. I divided it up into 3 different measurings, so it's really 3 tablespoons of olive oil divided. I've got my taco seasoning mix, which you can find that recipe on my YouTube, Instagram, my website, everywhere. But here is the taco seasoning mix. It's garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, fresh cracked pepper, sea salt. I've got cayenne, some paprika, and some chili powder. Then I have diced tomatoes, which is gonna go with either the veggie meat or the black beans. We're gonna saute that together with the taco seasoning. For the fixins, I love black olives. Who went to Taco Bell when they were kids and they got the tacos with the black olives? I can't help it, I love it. I've got my pickled red onion. You can find this recipe on all of my sites, Instagram, YouTube, ChristinaVonti.com. And then for the fixins, I've got some yummy pepper jack cheese. You can do cheddar, whatever shredded cheese you want, salsa Mexicana, guacamole. I've got some fresh lime wedges and a little bit of cilantro. All right, first step is we got to preheat that oven to 450 degrees. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just warming up 2 tortillas at a time. I'm putting the lid on there. That way they kind of warm up faster. You just want to warm up the tortillas ahead of time. That way they can bend and fold easily. So you want to put your stovetop to about medium high. Do some olive oil. Then I'm going to do, I'm doing a lot of this seasoning because I really want the seasoning to get in there. Gonna get my veggie meat. Again, you could use black beans if you want. I'm going to use veggie meat because we love it in my house. And I just want to break it up. My dog is starting to get excited because it all smells so good. If you have a potato masher, this will be a lot easier. I can't find mine today. So I'm just using my, like a flat edge wooden spoon just to break it up. I really am missing my potato masher at this point. This is gorgeous. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I think I've got all the seasoning in there. I wanna put my diced tomato in there. Here we go. Just gives it a little bit of liquid. The liquid allows the flavor to kind of get through. The veggie meat or your black beans, either one, whatever you're using. You can combine it. You could do veggie meat and black beans if you wanted to, or just all black beans. I use this vegan taco meat on my taco salads. You could use it obviously in a taco or a burrito. I've also used this veggie meat on my guiltless nachos. It comes out really good. So it's really versatile. All right, so I'm gonna turn this off. This is done. That was less than 5 minutes, everybody, okay? So you just wanna brush your tortilla. Get both sides of it with oil because this is how we're gonna make it crispy, okay? And it's olive oil and it's not gonna be bad for you, so don't worry about it. So then we put the taco filling in the top part of the taco. So simple. Okay, so there's a little bit of pickled red onion. I'm sure my olives took it over the edge. Anyways, that's okay. And then a little bit of my cheese. Okay, and then you're just gonna fold it in half. And if it isn't sticking, I do find if you just flip it over, it will hold together nicely. Okay, so we're just gonna keep building. So they're going in. We're gonna put these in the oven. It's 450. We're doing this for 8 minutes. Then we'll take them out, flip them over, and do the other side for 8 minutes. And they are gonna be your crispy sheet pan tacos, made to order. So I had to put these toothpicks in a few of them because they kept opening. Okay, it's been 8 minutes on one side. We're gonna take them out and flip them Let's just take them out and flip them really quick. And flip them over nice and carefully. Honestly, they're so crispy right now, you probably don't even need to do the second cooking. This is where we're gonna get our crispy taco-ness, okay? I'm gonna pop them back in the oven for just a few minutes, just to give them one last little crunch factor. Wow, they sound crispy. And look at them, they look amazing. And listen to this, crispy sheet pan tacos. That sound crispy to you? Wow, they are hot and they smell so good. Mmm. Wow, wow, wow. So I'm just going to put my little fixins on them. This is completely whatever you like. I'm gonna do a little bit of guacamole. Just a little bit on each one. Okay. Then we'll do just a little bit of salsa. So fun if you're having a party or a gathering. These crispy sheet pan tacos. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a little bit of a sour cream zhuzh. I like to add a little bit of that. And this is actually almond plain yogurt. So it's plain almond yogurt. And then I'm just gonna do just a tiny bit of extra cilantro because it's cute. And then when we're eating, we'll have a squeeze of lime and I'll probably put a little bit of habanero sauce on them. Here it is, my crispy sheet pan tacos. You're gonna love them. Veganish, delicious, healthy, so good, so easy to make. You need to try these out, okay? Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God. Thanks for watching.